In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get a redeem code on TestFlight. So technically on this page, you just need to head over to testflight.apple.com. So with this, developers can test beta versions of their applications and app clip using this TestFlight app. If you want to get a redeem code, you need to actually be invited by a developer. According to this help article, the developer can email a private invite to a specific user or list of users, and they can generate a URL that can be posted. So this format approach are codes used in TestFlight, where the codes are buried inside this, and those codes aren't all that useful either for the developer or the tester. So once the tester has installed TestFlight app and accepted the test, they should have access to the test on their devices. So in order to get a redeem code, you need to be invited by a developer in order to use this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.